Welcome to the RMail video short series on the RMail app for Microsoft Outlook settings. The RMail app for Microsoft Outlook allows you to send emails using the RMail Track and Prove, Encrypt, eSign, File Share, and other features. This video, we will review the RMail Client Reference Code feature setting in the RMail app for Microsoft Outlook. The Client or Reference Code feature allows senders to tag an RMail message with a specific client or reference code, typically for filing, chargebacks, or other workflow-related reasons. The code is placed in two locations, its own row in the registered receipts email and its own column in detailed usage reports. To view the settings, you have two options. From the inbox, press File, then RMail Settings. The second option is from the Featured dialog box. Press the Settings button. The Client Reference Code feature settings include the following. First, Enable Client Code. When this is checked, the Client Code feature option is available on the feature pop-up. The second option, when checked, will add the client code to the end of the email subject. This is sometimes used for workflow purposes or for automation when the client code is supposed to go in the subject of the email. The third option will always require a client code. This is typically used to enforce a client or reference code to the emails as part of a specific workflow. Client or reference codes can be added to the email by simply typing them into the drop-down field, as you see here. When they are used, they are automatically saved in a file and can be used later on in the drop-down. After it's been sent, the client code is remembered. Users can manage the client codes by highlighting them and removing them, or simply adding new ones by typing them into the client code field. The client or reference codes are stored in a file and can be saved in any location, including a shared drive. Please note your administrator has the ability to override the settings in the app. If a setting is not behaving as expected, please contact your administrator. Please be sure to watch other RMail videos to learn more. Thank you.